Hey video creators, welcome back to UniFab's channel.
"'Twas the night before Christmas, and all through the house not a creature was stirring, not even a mouse.
In this joyful Christmas season, we bring you a special gift using UniFab technology. We have brought the video quality and resolution of the classic Tom and Jerry Christmas Eve to a whole new level. Do you want to know how to operate it? Next, follow me to enter the UniFab operation interface. First, we open UniFab Video Upscaler AI. The software is very easy to operate and only requires 3 steps to complete the enhancement. Step 1, import the video you want to enhance. Step 2, make some simple adjustments to the video parameters. You can choose to increase the video resolution. UniFab supports output with a maximum resolution of 8K. You can also go to settings for advanced settings. Here we select animation model and increase the video bitrate to export with high quality. Here are the custom functions of video trim, crop, and audio, which can be freely selected, as well as the function of preview. Finally, export the video. Through the magical power of UniFab, these precious memories will be recreated with unprecedented clarity. Every frame has been carefully restored with more vivid colors and richer details, making you feel as if you were there on that magical Christmas Eve. If you like our video, please give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more AI tools and more useful videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.